Introduction to the Elysium 3D-SUITE PMI Checker. PMI Checker automatically verifies the completeness and accuracy of PMI in 3D CAD data in line with ISO and ASME standards. Simply right-click a CAD file to verify and select Run Scenario from the context menu. Results are output as a file in the designated folder. Verification results can be opened directly from the CAD system. From the Elysium menu, specify the results file and the dedicated viewer will launch. The CAD screen and the viewer are synchronized for side-by-side navigation. Verification results are listed in the viewer. Select a result in the list to zoom into it. Each error message clearly shows the issue and its reason. You can add comments for efficient communication. With syncing, the CAD view jumps to the right PMI for correction. Analyze the result in the viewer. And correct the PMI directly in the CAD system without manual searching. Results can also be exported in PDF format. PDF reports are easy to share without special software, extending results to managers and other non-CAD stakeholders. Just like in the viewer. You can analyze the results thoroughly by going through the list.